welcome to this new playlist. It's called Folded Facades, Sketching in Grasshopper. And what we are going to do in this playlist. In this playlist, I'll take you through the logic of how we create these folded panels. So we start with the segmentations, and then we'll go into how we can change the angles of these folding or rotated folded panels and what kind of depths we can play around with. And then we'll switch back to building plan or spatial architectural plan. And within this plan, what we are going to do is we are going to define all these panel variations based on the function. So for instance, this is admin offices. Admin offices segmentation is changing, and this is conference room segmentation is changing. And then we'll switch back to massing heights or the facade heights, where we can change, let's say, meeting rooms height followed by the facade panels, or we can change the rotation angles per function. So for instance, we zoom into admin offices, we are going to see that their folding angles are going to be changing. Open offices, their angle is going to be changing, and so on and so forth. And obviously, we'll be doing everything that I showed you in the very first panel, including folding depths on our playlist. I hope you will enjoy this playlist, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet, and see you in the next playlist.